When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same as you do now. But now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed a clown.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. I just finished getting ready because I am about to go on my morning walk. I honestly love going on morning walks, and I feel like I can't start my day if I don't start it off with some kind of active workout, like whether that's walking or actually going to the gym or Pilates or just anything active. Just finished getting ready. I have this sports bra and my Aritzia biker shorts that you guys can see, and then I think I'm gonna wear a hat. I can see the sun peeking out, but I think this whole week it's gonna be rainy, so it's been like really nice going on morning walks because it's not as hot outside, and I feel like the sun isn't like beating up on me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this look actually, and yeah. I honestly love going on morning walks in the morning, specifically this little trail because it's an uphill. So going uphill is kind of hard, but it's very rewarding after you do a couple rounds going up and back. So that's what we're gonna do today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave my vlogging camera just because I don't have like a lot of pockets. I don't even have my bag with me. Here's your reminder that if you haven't gotten your steps in the morning, to do it. Like, this lady is walking her cute dogs right now. I'm probably gonna be behind her. And let's get this workout done. I'm probably gonna go to the gym later too, but like I said, I love starting my mornings off with just like walking. Alright guys, I just got back from my walk. It's like cloudy outside, but it is hot. It's super hot. Today is major filming day because I got a bunch of my PR packages yesterday and I have to film them for a brand deal. I also just finished uploading my travel routine, but it's gonna go up on Sunday. Just got home and I have all of these packages to unbox, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this in a bit. But we got some Amazon, and then the rest are pretty much like brand deals. And then I have this huge box to film, so we're gonna go ahead and tackle this today as well. I have these bananas. As you can see, they're pretty much like very ripe, so I don't want to waste them. I think what I'm going to do is cut them up and then put them in the freezer for smoothies, because I actually have a couple of items that I can use for smoothies. I know I look a little crazy right now with my hair, but I'm about to film my brand deal, and I am filming in about 90-degree weather right now, so I'm just keeping my little summer outfit, but I have to film winter items.
shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back.
Alright guys, so I just finished doing my makeup. I still have to do my hair, but before I go ahead and do that, I wanted to sit down and show you guys a couple pieces from Ana Luisa because I'm actually going to be wearing some of them in today's video. And I'm so excited because this video is in partnership with Ana Luisa, and if you guys are not familiar with Ana Luisa, they offer high quality yet accessible pieces that you guys can wear without having to spend an arm and a leg. Their designs are affordable, starting at $39. They also have over 25,000 5-star reviews. They are carbon neutral and climate neutral certified. All of their products are also backed by 365-day warranty, which means that any jewelry that is returned that can't be resold gets donated, which is super awesome. Speaking of Valentine's Day, Ana Luisa is doing a buy one get one half off for Valentine's Day. So now is like the perfect time to buy gifts for your girlfriend, for your mom, for your friends, maybe even for yourself. You don't have to gift it to your significant other, you can gift it to yourself because they honestly have a lot of really cute pieces that I absolutely would wear every single day. So I'm going to show you guys pieces because as you can see I got quite a few, and I love that all of the jewelry pieces comes in a little canvas bag. So let's start the haul. I am wearing this beautiful medium-sized hoops. I love a good pair of hoops, and I think I just found the perfect one from Ana Luisa, and I just paired it with my earrings that I literally haven't taken off for years now. So I'm very excited because I love that they also complement each other. If you guys are looking for a medium-sized hoops, look no further because I found them. Honestly, I haven't really taken them off since I got them. So easy to put on, and they're also very light. Let's go talk about my necklace that I'm wearing right now. This is probably one of my favorite necklaces that I got in this haul. It is basically like a little shamrock lucky pendant, or like a little dainty necklace. I was telling you guys in my other vlogs that one of the things that I've incorporated in my daily routine is whenever I wake up, I basically say this little saying, and here it goes: I am the luckiest girl in the world, and anything and everything works out perfectly for me. And I feel like ever since I started kind of like saying that and just like manifesting that, everything has worked out seamlessly for me. And honestly, when I saw this necklace on the Ana Luisa website, I was like, I have to get it because that is exactly what I've been living and saying every single day, and I just needed it in like a physical form that I can wear every single day to remind me to say my manifestation every single morning. Moving on, I picked up an ear cuff because I have been wanting to but like get another piercing on my cartilage, but I haven't been able to. So I feel like an ear cuff would be perfect to just kind of like fake it till I get another piercing. But this is so freaking cute, you guys, and it is so easy to put on. It's just gold, and this is what it looks like right here. And honestly, I can go ahead and like put it right now. That was so easy to put on. I love this. It's super nice. If you can't commit to getting a piercing, get an ear cuff and you can just place it anywhere around your ear and you are good to go. As I was saying earlier, I love my medium-sized hoops, but I do want like a little teeny tiny huggy. So I got this pair right here. Also, all of the names of these pieces will be in the little try-on part, but it's just like the cutest little huggy, you guys. I can wear it with my medium-sized hoops and just take out my personal earrings, or I can put it where my personal earrings right now. It is so darn cute. I love it. Again, super light, super easy to put on, take off, and it's also not heavy at all. And I feel like I've worn this so many times at the beach that it has not tarnished. Up next on the list is this sun pendant necklace, and you guys know that I love the sun, I love summer, and when I saw this on their website, I just had to get it because how can I not? Like, look at her, you guys. She is stunning, and I feel like this is also a really nice necklace to layer with my lucky necklace. Moving on, I have this body jewelry, and I love body jewelry, guys. This is something that you wear around your neck like a little halter, and then it locks in around your waist. And I feel like as someone who wears a bikini pretty much all year round, this is the perfect accessory for me to kind of like complete that look. Or if you guys are wearing like a really low cut and it kind of like shows this area, I think it's very flattering. It has 5 of these little jewels on it, and it's just so pretty, you guys, and the quality is phenomenal. Anyway, those are all the things that I got from Ana Luisa, and I'm honestly so excited to wear them by itself, or like layer them with the other pieces all together, or honestly layer them with my personal necklaces. They are just so gorgeous, so dainty, and they're totally up my alley. And I think what I'm gonna go for tonight is actually my little lucky shamrock necklace with my ear cuff and the medium size hoops. So if you guys want to check out the jewelry pieces that I mentioned in this video, I will have them in the description box down below. Although I mentioned that US customers get free shipping and free returns, don't let that stop you from shopping, because they do offer international shipping. So whether you live outside of the US, you can most definitely shop from Ana Luisa. Okay, you guys, I just finished filming all of my brand deals, and I'm actually just opening some PR mail right now. So let's start off with Snorkel Bear Bikini. They have really cute bikinis, and I always love getting packages from them. So, ooh, they sent 3 suits. They said, "Hey Farina, here's some new swim for the new year. We're excited to get these to you. I've also added a sneaky sarong. I can't wait to see you in it. Much love." They're so sweet. Oh, guys, this is so pretty. You probably have heard me say this like a million times, but triangle bras are my favorite bikini tops ever. Super like blue and purple, bright blue and purple print, but it has palm trees all over. And then we have another triangle bikini, and then this is the sarong that she sent from Ignited Apparel. And we got this gorgeous matcha green, not like really matcha, but it's like a dark forest green, and I actually really love the color. There's the logo. Wow, this is so nice. Love it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I can wear it anytime soon, just because I'm in Hawaii for a few months, but I am traveling international pretty soon, so maybe this is gonna be my new airport outfit. Next, I finally got my hands on the Mario or Makeup by Mario palette. This is the Master Matte palette, and this has been sold out for like months now. Look at all these gorgeous warm mattes, guys. This colorway is probably my favorite tones. They're like earthy brown tones, and I had to get it. And then from Amazon, as you can see, I got my hair cut. My hair is a lot shorter now. I think I cut about like 6-7 inches. And I want to try to learn and give myself a blowout, or like use rollers. I got these pink jumbo ones from Amazon. And these are good because it comes with clips like these, but I honestly don't like using these kinds of clips. But I got these because it came in a little set of like different sizes. So we have the jumbo one here, we got a medium size, and then like a smaller size. They also included this little brush or comb. I feel like these are easier, and these won't leave a crease in your hair. So, oh yeah, this is what they look like. So you basically, oh, they're a little brittle though. So basically you put your bangs in, and then you like clip it. You clip it like so. So it's gonna be like this on your hair. So I'm very excited. I might actually do my hair tonight. I don't know. I just washed my hair last night, so I don't want to like do it right now. I don't want to wash it right now because my hairstyle is like, don't wash your hair every single day because it's bad for you. So yeah, those are all my Pure packages slash like packages that I ordered. I'm very excited. Yeah. Don't forget, Ana Luisa is having a Valentine's Day sale where you get buy one get one 50% off. So now is your time to literally stock up on your favorite pieces, or if you want to try out Ana Luisa, like today is the day. Okay, like now is the time, besties.